Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and make your profile public in your Pinterest account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, this step is really simple. The first thing that you could go ahead and do is to, of course, browse through the Pinterest website and to log in your account. Now, this works also on mobile, so just go ahead and download the application and just log in your account from there. Now, once inside the Pinterest, you want to go ahead and open up your account settings. To do that, you can just go ahead and browse through the upper right corner of the screen, and you will go ahead and see this arrow. Just go ahead and click on it and go ahead and click on settings. Now inside settings, you will go ahead and see a lot of things inside right here, but you can just go ahead and find the profile visibility right here. Just go ahead and click on it. And once inside profile visibility, you will go ahead and see the private profile right here. Now, as of right now, this option is turned on. So just go ahead and turn it off and click on save. Now, after turning off the private profile, you also have to make sure that this setting is turned off, the search privacy. Just go ahead and disable this and go ahead and click on save. Now, if you are using mobile and you cannot go ahead and see the profile visibility settings, you can also go ahead and find both of these settings inside the privacy and data. So there you go. In that way, you will have managed to make your account public in Pinterest. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.